Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today in this video we are unboxing and taking a look at the Boat Rockerz 330 wireless Bluetooth earphones. Now my friend bought this from Amazon.in for about 1300 rupees and this is available in different colors, but we bought the red color version and this is called the Raging Red on their website. This is the typical Boat packaging, and on the top left you can see the Boat logo, and the bottom right again the Boat symbol is drawn here. And this is how the earphone looks. Now this is a little confusing because there is another model available which is the Boat Rockerz 335 and which looks absolutely similar to this one. So I don't understand what is different in this one and that one. Again, on the box they're claiming that this comes with a fast charging, so a 10 minute of charging will give you 10 hours of playtime. Also they're also claiming a battery life of 30 hours non-stop music on a single charge. At the back, if you flip the box, you can see some of the specification about the earphones are written here. You can see it comes with a speaker size or the driver size of about 10 millimeter, which is decent. The bigger the diameter of your speaker, the more frequencies it can produce. It comes with IPX5 splash and sweat resistance. The best thing about this earphone is that it comes with Type-C charging, and they're claiming a battery life of about 30 hours. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.0, which supports dual pairing. So if you've paired this with two devices and if you stop playing music on one device, it will start playing music of the second device. Now at the bottom you can see the content of the box are written here, so make sure when you get this you check all these things in the box. It comes with obviously the earphone itself, USB-C charging cable, and two pair of small and large earbuds, so you can mix match depending upon the size of your ear canals. You can change which one fits you better. So without any further delay, let's just take a look at what we get in the box and how the earphone looks from inside. So this is how the earphone looks from the inside, and very clean packaging. The packaging looks really nice and clean. There is no clutter, no writing, nothing, just simple plain packaging, which is really nice. So let me just take this out. So let's just take it out for now. This is the right earbuds and this is the left earbuds. So let's keep all these things aside for now. So you get the earphone itself. We'll take a look at it in a bit. Let's just take a look at what else we get in the box. So in the package you will get a small logo from Boat, a small sticker that you can stick on your earphones or different things. I'm not going to be using this, so let's just keep that back in the box. Of course you will get the 1-year warranty card for this product. As you can see, 1 year. Let's keep that in the box. You will get a catalog of different products that Boat is selling, which is what we don't want to see, and more literature. This is the manual, so if you are having trouble using your earphone, make sure you give it a read through and you will be able to use it without any problem. And finally we get a charging cable, and fortunately this time we're getting a USB-C charging cable, which is very nice. This is very important in 2021 because almost all the phone in the market comes with a USB-C port, so you don't have to carry a separate charging cable to charge your earphone as well as your phone. So any single cable you can carry with you and you can use that to charge your earphone as well as the phone. But they have included the cable, so which is very nice. And finally you get two pair of small and large ear tips, so you can pick the one that fits your ear really nice. So let's keep this whole thing aside for now and focus on the earphone itself. So this is how the earphone looks. Now in the beginning when I was taking a look, was looking at its pictures on the internet, I thought that this part is plastic. Fortunately this is not plastic. This is very flexible, so you will not break it easily. This is some kind of very soft silicone, and these feel like some kind of a metal, and the wire quality is also decent. In the beginning the wire felt not that good quality, but the wire is also decent. These are magnetic earbuds, but they will not pause and play your music unlike some other little expensive earphones that you have. These are your ear wings, and these prevent the earphone from coming out of your ear when you are doing some exercises. So these are the driver size. Taking a look at the earphone, you can see on the left side, this is the left side, the Boat logo is written here, This is the right side, and on the right side you've got all your controls. This is your on off button. Here is your microphone, and because this is a neckband earphone, the microphone sits really close to your mouth, and the mic quality is really nice on this one. So for video conferencing, for video calls, this is a very nice earphone if you're looking at wireless solutions for that. This is the microphone test of the Boat Rockerz Wireless Earphone 330. This is the microphone test of the Boat Rockerz 330. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. If you flip the right side, you can see there are your two buttons, which is your plus and the minus button. With the plus button you can increase the volume, also change the track. With the minus button, again, you can decrease the volume and change the track. So this is pretty much the overview of the earphone. The last thing is your charging port, which is on the right side. If you flip this cover up, you can see this is your USB charging port, and fortunately this time we are getting a small flap on top of this, so any water or any sweat will not get in this, and this will stay water resistance. So let me just bring in my phone and show you how to pair this and turn this on. Okay, so let me now show you how to turn these on. So you can see on the right side of the earphone there is this button which has a boat symbol. Press it for a few seconds, and on this side you will see this LED will start blinking. So if I press it for a couple of seconds, I hope you can see the LED is blinking. After you press the on off button, the LED light is blinking red and blue. That means it is in pairing mode. Now let's just go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth of our phone. This is my Redmi Note 7. Let's turn on the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is turned on. Now keep pressing the Bluetooth button and it will open the Bluetooth setting. At the bottom, if you search the available devices, it will show Rockerz 330. Click on it, and it is asking permission to pair. Click on pair, and once you click pair, you will see the LED that was blinking red and blue will stop blinking, and the only LED that you will see is your blue LED, which will blink after time to time. So this is how you turn this on. To turn this on, all you do is press this boat button for a couple of seconds and your earphone will turn on. To turn the earphone off, press the button again, the boat button for a couple of seconds, and it will turn off automatically. If I turn the Bluetooth off of my phone, the Bluetooth earphone will turn off automatically if it doesn't detect any phone that is connected to it. So there is two ways you can turn this off. One way is by pressing the the boat button for a couple of seconds. The other way is if you just keep it there and turn your phone Bluetooth off, the earphone will detect that no device is paired to the Bluetooth earphone and it will turn itself off. Okay, so that's how you turn this on. Now let me go ahead and play some video and show you the control button. So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel. Let's go ahead inside my channel, click on the videos, and let's start playing this video, which is the filter video. So as you can see, the video is now playing. Now if I want to pause the video, I will press the boat button once. As you can see, video paused. If I press the boat button again, the video will start playing. If I want to switch back to a different track, I can press the minus button or plus button. If I press the plus button for a few seconds, it will switch to the next video. If I press the minus button for a few seconds, it will switch back to the previous video. And with the minus plus button, if I keep tapping them, I can increase the volume and I can decrease the volume with the minus button as well. So these are the functions, and if somebody is calling you, all you have to do is just press the boat button and it will pick up the call automatically. So these are the basic functions that you need in a typical day-to-day usage of a wireless earphone. Okay, so now let me go ahead and start using this for a couple of days, and then I will tell you what I feel about this earphone. We will also do the charging test. We will also mention, I will tell you whether the 30 hours claim of the company is correct or not. So let me just use them for a couple of days and then we'll come back with the results. If your computer has Bluetooth, this is how you can connect your earphone with the Bluetooth. So go ahead, at the bottom of your taskbar, click on the Bluetooth icon. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. As you can see, mine is turned on. Now click on the add Bluetooth device and then click on the audio video device. If you click on it, you will see that it will start displaying all the Bluetooth devices that are in the vicinity. Now go ahead and turn on your earphone. So this is our earphone. To turn on the earphone, press the boot button for a couple of seconds. Now it is turned on, and as you can see, it will start displaying our earphone. If it doesn't display, then go ahead and click on search again. So I'm going to click on search again, and now it will display our Bluetooth earphone. So as you can see, now our computer is displaying Bluetooth earphone. Click on it, and as you can see, it is now pairing. It says it is now paired, and you will see at the bottom the driver for your wireless earphone will also be installed. And once the drivers are installed, it will say connection has been established with this device. Now there is one more setting that you need to do on your computer before you start using. Go ahead and click on the speaker option on your computer. Once you click on it, you will see this option called mixer. Click on it. After doing that, now click on system sounds. Once you click on system sound, you will see that this type of window will open. In this window, click on the playback settings, and as you can see in this setting, your speaker is selected. We want to change this to your Bluetooth audio renderer. To do that, right click on the Bluetooth option and then click on set as default device. After doing that, your audio will start playing on this option. So if I play a track, you will see that it will start playing. It is playing. So this is how you connect your Bluetooth earphone to your computer. Alright guys, so this is the Boat Rockerz 330, and I've been using them for about a couple of days now, and this is my total rundown of what I was doing with the earphone. Don't worry about it because I've added it all up. So you can see I've watched about 8 hours and 53 minutes of music on this, and I watched about 8 hours and 48 minutes of movies, and then I took and received calls for about 49 minutes. So total runtime it gave me about 18 hours and 30 minutes. So this is the total playback time on a single charge, that is 18 hours and 30 minutes. And now let's talk about the audio quality. Now when we talk about audio quality, each of us individuals are different. Our taste in music is different. Some of us like bass, some of us don't like bass. So depending upon what you like, your taste or your experience may vary, but I'm going to share my experience with you guys. It is a very good piece of earphone. The mic quality was also nice. Starting with the bass is decent in this earphone. It is in fact sometimes a little overpowering in some sections. The voice quality is also great. When I was watched about 8 hours and 48 minutes of movies, and the audio quality was great. The background music, the background scores, the dialogues were great, but the people were speaking, the voices were a little muffled because of the overpowering bass sometimes. The treble was nice, but if you were listening to some shrill sounds, very high frequency sounds, there was a little bit of peaking here and there, but not a major problem. So overall, I would say if you're buying a wireless earphone for the first time, I think this is a very nice budget earphone for you, because the mic quality is just nice. I've used a lot of earphones, and one of the problem with wireless earphones is the mic quality, and in this one the mic was great, so you don't have to remove the earphone whenever you want to take a call or something like that. So overall, I would give this about easily 7.5 to 8 in terms of audio quality, and for the mic I would give this straight 9, because the mic was really nice. So there is that. Now speaking of comfortability, the earbuds were very comfortable in my ears. I used them extensively continuously for more than 3 to 4 hours on a single run, and I didn't had any pain in my ears. In the beginning I had a little bit of trouble, but after like 15-20 minutes I got used to them, and then it didn't hurt at all. But everybody's ears are different, so your experience may vary. But I've been using a lot of earphones, and I've got a lot of earphones, wireless and wired ones, and wearing these I didn't feel any discomfort in my ears. So comfortability wise, these are really nice. And I have completely discharged the earphone, and it is now completely discharged, and on a single charge it ran for about 18 hours and 30 minutes, and this is my total breakdown of what I did with with the playtime. And speaking of charge, let us set up for the charging time, and that will tell us how long this earphone takes to charge. Alright, so as you can see that my Boat Rockerz 330 is completely drained. So let us now do the charging test of this earphone and see how long this earphone takes to charge. So I will be using the original cable that came in the box. So let's take this out. And the charger that I'm using is my Redmi Note 7 5V 2 amp charger. Let's see if the camera can focus. Yes, you can see that this is a 5V 2 amp charger of my Redmi Note 7. So let us plug the charger in. Charger is in. Let's plug the cable in. And here is our USB-C charging flap. Let me just open this, and when I plug this in, you will see the LED starts flashing here. The red LED on the earphone is glowing, and when the earphone is completely charged, the LED will turn blue. Let us start a timer. So this is a timer. Let's start this, and now we'll come back when the earphone is completely charged. So as you can see, the LED on our Bluetooth earphone is blue and it is stable. That means our earphone is completely charged. Let us take a look at the timer. So you can see the timer is at 29 minutes. Let me stop it. So in 29 minutes our earphone is completely charged from 0 to 100%. So the charging time of this Boat Rockerz 330 is about 29 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, so now let us do the charging test using a power bank. So let us go into the low power mode by double pressing the power button 2 times. And now the power bank is in low power mode. Let's bring our cable in. Open the charging flap on this earphone. It's plugged in. Plug in our power bank. As you can see, the LED is glowing red and it will become stable, and the charging is started. I've started a timer. Now we'll come back when the charging is complete. Okay, so as you can see that the blue LED is now stable. That means our earphone is completely charged. Let's take a look at our timer. So you can take a look at the timer. You can see about 29 minutes. The earphone is completely charged using a power bank. So now we can safely say that our earphone takes about 30 minutes to charge using any kind of charger. So there we go. This was my video on the Boat Rockerz 330 wireless earphone. The company claimed a runtime of 30 hours, but I got only 18.5 hours, which is also nice. You will easily be able to use it for 3 to 4 days without any problem. And I was using this earphone at a comfortable volume level at about 75 to 80% volume, and the build quality is really nice. This part is metal. The mic quality is also nice. Overall, this is a good piece of earphones, especially for those people who want to attend online calls, who want to use it for online classes. I think this is a really nice piece of headphones for them. So with that, let me conclude. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.